Hi everyone, my name is Katz and I'm a bankruptcy attorney located in Los Angeles, California. And I'm here to answer a question as to what to expect in a bankruptcy meeting of creditors, also known as a 341A meeting in Los Angeles, California. Now, 341A meeting of creditors are conducted both in Chapter 7s, Chapter 13s, and also in Chapter 11 bankruptcies where it's usually a business who is filing a bankruptcy. The 341A meeting of creditors is conducted by the trustee who is going to ask the debtor different questions about the case. That meeting can also be attended by creditors. Those creditors will have an opportunity to ask the debtor questions, and the debtor will need to respond to those questions. A meeting of creditor normally takes place about a month after the bankruptcy filing. The trustee will issue a notice to the court, or the court will issue that notice, and then all parties, including the attorney for the debtor, will be advised as to when the meeting will take place and how it will take place. Now, after COVID-19, most of the 341A meetings of creditors are conducted telephonically or by video. The debtor's attorney will have instructions on how to attend those meetings by phone or by video, and if the debtor is not represented by an attorney, they can either contact the trustee's office or they'll be giving instructions by the court on how to attend the meeting. The meeting normally takes about an hour or so to complete. Now, the actual questioning of the debtor doesn't take that long, but just like a doctor's office, you often have to wait for your turn because there's multiple cases that are scheduled for the same time and place as your 341A meeting, and so you can wait 30 minutes to an hour for your turn to take place. The actual questioning takes about 5 to 10 minutes, usually even less than that. The questions that are normally asked are those about your schedule. So what did you file with the court? The trustee is going to ask you if you filed documents that were accurate. They may also ask you questions about your tax returns. They may ask you questions about any discrepancy you have in your schedule. So if you listed that you own a property by yourself, but you also have co-owners on the property, they may ask you about that. They may also ask you questions about your expenses and about your income. Oftentimes, the trustee will ask where you work, how much you earn, how long you worked at that job, and that's the sort of questions that the trustee will ask you. Every trustee is different, and every trustee has its own line of questioning. But usually the questions are going to be about items that are found in your bankruptcy documents. They're not going to be a surprise to you in any way. You just need to answer the questions truthfully and make sure that the trustee has the right information before him or her. We always recommend that an attorney prepare the client for the 341A meeting so they can explain what to expect in that meeting. Sometimes there are situations where an attorney would find issues or potential issues that the trustee may ask you about, and so you need to consult with your attorney to see if you can expect any sort of questions like that, or if you can expect a creditor to attend your meetings. Oftentimes I'm able to gauge whether a creditor would want to attend a 341A meeting of my client. If you have any more questions or you want to learn more about 341A meetings, shoot us an email or give us a call at 310-444-9444. We'll be happy to help you out.